Hi, I'm Maya. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I make this beautiful crop top. I name it Crescent Chandra. Chandra in Sanskrit means moon, and in Thai, Chandra also means moon. So it is a crescent moon. And if you're new here, welcome to the family. I'm so glad that you found me. And if you like, you can also click the subscribe button below this video, and next to it there's a little bell. You can also click that as well. This way you make sure that you will receive the notification every time I post a new video. And also for a giveaway in the last video on this written pattern of the Gypsy Kimino, I will announce 5 winners at the end of the video. So stay tuned, and I hope you are a lucky one. And let's get started on this Crescent Chandra top together. You will need DK 8-ply yarn, 1 skein for size XXS, and you need the hook 3.5 mm and 4.5 mm, the yarn needle and pair of scissors, and also some stitch marker. I didn't have it here, but we'll need later. First, we're gonna start with slip knot. We're gonna make the band, and also we start with the hook 3.5 mm. Then we're gonna chain 8 chain. All sizes start the same width of the band, so 8 chain. Then you're going to add 1 single crochet in the second chain from hook, and 1 single crochet in each of every stitch, in total of 7 single crochet stitch when you get into the end. You find also the written pattern of this size XXS in my blog, and for all sizes you will find in my pattern shop in a few days after I release this video. Now you have complete row 1, chain 1, return our work, and the second row we're going to add a single crochet as well, but this time we only do back loop only. So this make the movement, the design look different, more texture, and also give more the stretch feeling, because we're gonna need that stretch quality later on to wrap around our body. So go ahead, put 1 single crochet in each of the stitch, but make sure you put in back loop only. In the end of the row, you will have 7 single crochet, back loop only. Yeah. And when you're done chain 1, then you just turn your work, and from here you will just repeat row 2 to create the band. As long as you need. I have made in total of 103 rows. If you don't know how many rows you should make, you can just make as long as you think it would wrap around your body. Then you can stop and try it on. Look at this video. I stop and I try to measure around my body under my breast, and you can see that I pull the band to be as stretched as possible. And when it meets in the other side, it means that's it. You just stop there, and from there we're gonna connect 2 ends together. And to connect these 2 ends, I'm going to do just simple thing. I'm going to slip stitch these 2 ends together and create the ring. But you can do any stitch that you wish to do. Just make sure that the band is not twisted before you connect them together. And also in this tutorial, in this red top, I make with the seam at the back, as I don't know what is going to be. I just try as I go. I design and then I just film it along the way. But the second one, in the first video intro in purple one, you see that that top has no seam. It's a seamless. I will show you the picture also, the difference of these two. So So I will put the info in my blog, and you will be able to find out how to make it without seam at the back, the line at the back, if you want that look. But in this video we will do this way. And after you connect both sides together already, do not cut the yarn. And this is how it looks in the end. As you see, I did not cut the yarn, and this is how the stretch of the band gives to the top. I mean, the future top gonna be. And now we change the hook to the 4.5mm hook, as we're gonna start the body portion from here. And here we're going to chain 2. I already chained 1 from before, so I just chain 1 only, but you will chain 2. And here you're going to add half double crochet in the end of each row of the band that you made before. So I have made 103 rows, meaning in the end I will end up with 103 half double crochet. And here it's very important not to skip any end of the row, otherwise you will end up have smaller top, or if you put too many of half double crochet, you will end up have a bigger top than your measurement. So make sure that you count the stitch until the end of the row, that you have exactly the number of half double crochet as many rows as you make in the band part. And here we come to the few stitches left before we're gonna slip stitch to the beginning of the chain 2 when we start. And you have to find the chain 2, the second chain, to slip stitch. Okay, here I can also tell you how to make it seamless in this part. Instead of slip stitch, you can just skip that 2 chain and you just put 1 half double crochet into the next row. But you have to make sure that you also add the stitch marker, and then you not get confused. But now we're gonna do this way. After you slip stitch, you're gonna chain 2, and then you're gonna add 1 half double crochet into the first half double crochet from the first row, and you're gonna keep doing it across the round like so. And for my size, I have made in total of 13 rows, 10 rows with 4.5mm hook and 3 rows with 3.5mm hook. I realized that I don't need to change the hook actually, but I was trying to see how it works. So I would suggest you to just continue with 4.5mm hook in this part. And now we're gonna make this part of the top, which is to make it like a crescent moon at the front part. To do that, now you're gonna put the top on you and find the position from one corner to another corner, which means in the front part from one of your armpit to another side in front of your breast, just right next to your armpit. Then you put the stitch marker from one on the left and one on the right, and we're gonna create that portion together. For my side, I have count the number of 47 stitches from the right to the left, and for you, you will make it different than me because we are different size. And if you make the same size with me, you can also copy my number. And so here is my 10 rows of decreasing. As you can see, the side that have stitch marker is where it's decreasing, and the other side is actually more straight, but somehow it's shown this way. So here 10 rows, and from here we're going to decrease more, but we're going to decrease each row 2 stitches from here. And how to do that? We're just going to do the same at the beginning of the right side, that you decrease the first stitch And the difference of 2 stitches decreasing in the next row is to skip 1 stitch wherever you feel that you want to skip, so that in each row, instead of decrease just 1 in the beginning of the right side, you will decrease 2 stitches. So just skip. If the row of 11 you skip on the number 5, then the next row you skip differently, so that the pattern on the top don't show the skip part so obvious. And if you don't understand what I mean, you will find the written pattern of this part clearly in my blog as well. Sorry I didn't have the video because I lost some of the material, but I hope you understand what I mean. But please make sure that you will not skip at the last stitch of the left side. The left side should not skip at all. Just skip in the between, like in the row, wherever. And here is the result. I keep skipping in each row 2 stitches until I arrive to 8 stitches left, 8 half double crochet stitches that I have here in this picture. So I make total of 25 rows. Okay, let's run through in this process together again. So you see the first 2 rows is a 46 half double crochet stitch, and after that we decrease in each row 1, decreasing for 10 row, for another 8 rows, so it's total of 10 row. And from row 11 to 25 we have decreased every row 2 stitches. So here, as you can see, I already start a few rows of the strap. And the strap, I just continue from the last row of the 25th. So my 25th row is end at the left side. So I just crochet 5 half double crochet back and forward. You know, I crochet 5 and then I turn, I crochet another 5 half double crochet. And this is how we're going to create, this is how we creating the strap. And here you can see how I make the strap. I actually put it on also. Sorry for the upside down video. Put it on and I was trying how long do I need for the strap, because as this top has no tying in the back, everything have to be exactly fit. So I pretty much put it on, put it out, and trying to make it fit me as much as possible. So I keep doing the strap as you see here, half double crochet, 5 half double crochet of each of every row. And you see in this video, as I mentioned before, I used 3.5 mm hook, so I made very long strap. But the second piece I used 4.5 mm hook, and I only make the strap 21 rows. But in this first one I have made 27 rows, so it also depends on your body size. The tip is to just put it on and keep trying, or just use the measurement tape to measure from the shoulder down above your breast, and then you will see how many inches. Then you will see how many inches that you will need for fit your body. So this is the front and this is the back. You will see that at the back I have a seam. You see here the seam, and actually in this time I use the seam to somehow help me to find the place where I should put the strap. So I actually put it on again, and I realized that the seam was exactly where I want to attach the strap. I actually didn't attach inside the seam. I actually attached into the left side of the seam in the end. I show you in this video how I attach it. So you can attach the back side anyhow you want. You see, now I'm moving a little bit to the outside, to the left side, but now I turn it the other way around. You know what I mean. So here I'm going to just connect it with, I think I connected with single crochet, but you can connect it with any kind of stitch. So for me, single crochet is the best way to connect this both part. I count 5. And I just simply the hook. Some people like to connect with yarn needle, but I feel it's easy for me to do this way. So if you want to do the same, you're welcome. You just, no, it's off the camera. Sorry. But yeah, now I'm back again. Count again, make sure that you not miss the point you wanted to. So here you're just gonna put 5 single crochet, connect both parts together. And when you're done, you're just gonna wave everything in, and before you cut the yarn, I also suggest you to put it on again. That's what I do. So many times I put it on and see if it fit me. And as I say, just use the tape measurement. If you're not sure if it's gonna fit you, just measure from the shoulder down to above of your breast at the front, and it's the same length approximately. Now chain 1, cut the yarn and wave all the yarn in, and try it on again, just like me. So many times I tried on to make sure that it will fit me. You know, the beauty of this design is that you will learn to also create exactly piece that will fit you. I will explain everything in the written pattern, and I just really love this design. It's just perfect for summer. And yeah, I already make 2 pieces, this one, the red one, and the purple one without the seam. I hope you like 2 versions. You will find all information in my blog. I hope you like this video, and stay tuned, coming soon for the giveaway of the winners. And I also want to tell you that when you buy the written pattern, you will also receive the bonus of this pattern, which is the little one version. Isn't she beautiful? So cute. So you will have this pattern as well, and you will have all the description, all the information how to create your own design, your own size to fit you and your loved one. Alright, I hope you like this video. Just let me know if you would like me to make more top, and let me know also if you would like me to make a giveaway of this pattern. Just comment down below if you want. I will make a giveaway next Monday coming in Crochet Podcast. Alright, my friend, have a beautiful day and night. If you like this video, just give it a thumb up, subscribe, and click little bells next to the subscribe box so that you will receive the notification every time I post a new video. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye. Stay beautiful as you are.